Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about what Figma is apparently releasing for Config 2025. And this is not public yet. This is, I don't know how they got it, but this is what they're releasing apparently. And let's see what they have. First, illustration tools. So I'm guessing this is like Photoshop illustration tools, brushes, textures, and yeah, so that'll be a good addition. And I'll probably do more illustrations in Figma. That's like the last part of what I'm using in Photoshop for. But yeah, it's good. Grids for auto layout, that is amazing. I've been using grids in actual CSS and in Penpot, and yeah, it'll be great to use it here. Sites and publishing, I don't know, Lovable and V0 does it better. Brand asset creator, no idea what that is. Figma a app maker, which is again a lovable V0 thing. Yeah, so that's good. A brand asset creator, I'm thinking something like it creates with a the logo, favicon, Android app icon, iOS icon, things like that. But yeah, this looks good so far. Figma sites, I've already talked about this. I'm not sure if I'll use it. They'll probably add some more pricing to add this in the Figma pricing, and increase the Figma prices even more with this. But I don't even want this, so yeah. Figma AI app maker, this is good. So this is for like as I said, a lovable V0 alternative. But yeah, if if this is just creating something in Figma, that'll be good. So I can just open this and create a Figma app rather than actual website. So yeah, let's see how this goes. But paste an existing design or image. I'm not sure how that will work. Paste an existing design. This is Figma, right? They can just link an existing design from Figma. That's okay. That's fine. And yeah, and they have the grid, which is coming soon. So yeah, overall this is a very nice update, and yeah, I can't wait for Config 2025 for them to release all this. And the one that I'm looking forward to most is grids for AutoLoad and illustration tools. Everything else is will be mostly AI slop, I'm guessing, at the release. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let's see what the actual release in Config 2025. Bye bye.